Chicago's century-old Chinatown transports you straight to Eastern Asia. The streets are elaborately adorned and filled with authentic grocery stores, boutiques, souvenir shops, and family-owned restaurants. Streets are filled with different resources dependent by Chinese Americans. By law, signage must be printed in English and Chinese. Chinatown is located on Chicago's south side, on South Wentworth and West Cermak. It is one of the largest Chinatowns in the country. As a multicultural area of the city, individuals can be heard speaking Mandarin and Cantonese. This presentation will focus on the history, demographics, culture, and education found within Chicago's Chinatown. During the building of the Transcontinental Railroad in the 1870s, Chinese Americans came to the United States. During that time, many experienced racism and discrimination. Landlords had raised rent or created unaffordable housing to force Chinese to relocate to the southwest part of Chicago. This gave rise to what is now Chinatown near Cermak and Wentworth Avenue. In terms of demographics, about 90% of Chinatown is mainly Chinese Americans, but the remaining individuals are white, Black, and Hispanic. Chinatown's cuisine involves award-winning restaurants that offer cultural cuisines such as dim sum, duck delight, dumplings, and spicy noodle dishes. In terms of landmarks, Chinatown Square is a popular two-story mall that not only has shops, but also includes statues that represent the zodiac signs, as well as murals. The Chinese American Museum of Chicago has different exhibits of current and past Chinese artifacts. And the Chinese American Veterans Memorial pays tribute to Chinese Americans who have served in the armed forces. Ping Tom Memorial Park was formerly a railroad yard, but now houses many recreational activities within the community. High Tech Center provides programs for children and adults. This Christian center helps provide opportunities for immigrants to assimilate within American culture. The Chinese Lunar New Year's Parade is also known as the Spring Festival. This parade celebrates spring and is a 15-day holiday including dragons, marching bands, line dances, and floats. Next year begins the Year of the Tiger. It is called the Lunar New Year because it marks the first new moon of the lunisolar calendars traditional to many Eastern Asian countries, including China, South Korea, and Vietnam. The Chinese Moon Festival is also called the Mid-Autumn Festival and is celebrated in September. This festival centers on family, and mooncakes are enjoyed. Families give thanks by writing on paper lanterns and releasing them into the sky. Like many other cultures, preserving culture among youth is important, and one way to do this is through the educational system. So St. Therese Chinese Catholic School, with photos on the left-hand side of the screen, offers programs from kindergarten through 8th grade and teaches students English, but also keeps them connected to their culture by providing continuing education in Chinese and Mandarin. Spanish is also offered. The school celebrates Chinese holidays in addition to typical American holidays. On the right-hand side, we see Poitak Christian School, which promotes Christian values and a challenging environment. Classes in Mandarin are required in order to strengthen student knowledge in Chinese language and culture.